Hello, I'm Lauren and welcome back. Today is 124 and today is Memorial Day in the Netherlands. And it's a pretty nice and patriotic holiday. I mean, it is genuinely heartfelt appreciation and thoughtfulness. There are a lot of flags around where I live, and they are at Half-Mast, and I realize that I did not draw this at Half-Mast, but there are a lot of really nice fresh flags flying around the area, and it's sort of a somber, serious day, but it's very heartfelt, and it's just nice to witness these sorts of things in a country where they were actually occupied by the Germans for 5 years. So it really means something here when there are remembrance occasions like this. I got the new vacuum, and it comes in lots of little pieces, and I put everything together, and I did a little test, and it worked well. So I will be vacuuming more. I'll have to move furniture and just kind of do a bunch of rearranging in order to really get the carpet clean, but I'm just going to have to chip away at it because I have other things to do as well. But there was a remembrance ceremony on TV, so I watched that with Linda, and it was just really well done. Beautiful orchestras, and just really, I don't like the word classy, but it was a very elegant, respectful event. And then sitting on the floor, I painted my big toenails and I painted my thumbs. And that's kind of what I've been doing lately. I don't want to do the whole shebang. Yeah, I just really want to do the big toenails and the big fingernails just for some pop and just for some fun. I don't have to go for the crazy witch lady fingernails that are so popular right now. Not me. And then I spent some more time finishing up my taxes. Yeah, it should be just a slam dunk. But anyway, it's done now. And I also did my state taxes. So I am officially in the clear. Thank goodness. So now I have this new hairstyle. I can start wearing my earrings that I like so much. But with my long hair, I just didn't wear earrings because you couldn't really see them that much. So I'm getting out my fun earrings and tousling my hair and going out and doing things with short hair. So I'd like to know, what are you doing today?